But let's wrap up on this edition of Closing Bell with the news of the market. In fact, let's start wrapping up. The Nifty going with a cut of almost 40 points, but it could have been much worse. There's a recovery of nearly 100 points from the lows, closing just closer to that 26,000 mark. The headline of the day obviously would be the rupee crossing that 90 mark to the dollar. The Nifty banks shown remarkable recovery led by the private sector banks. Public sector banks were still lower, and the broader markets. Out there, we had nearly 2,000 stocks which ended in the red for about 900 stocks which were in the green. Among the top gainers on the Nifty, we had the private sector banks and the IT stocks. On the top losers, we obviously had a couple of these FMCG stocks, Tata Consumer, we had Adani Ant, BEL and Shriram Finance.
Absolutely. I think on the mid-cap screen, overall pain for sure coming through, 1% lower on the indices. Two sectors stand out. A lot of profit taking in PSU banks, which have had a great rally for the better part of this year. So names like Indian Bank, PNB, all of them were down 4-5%. The PSU, look at the PSU banking index, it's shed 3% today. And aside of this was the capital market space. If we look at the final tally on stocks, then Angel won 5.5% lower, Motilal 3.5% lower, BSE itself falling 3%, and MCX finally ended with a cut of about 0.5%. So not such a bad day for the large cap screen, but yes, pain in the broader markets.